All right, you guys, so it is my favorite time. We got some stuff in the mail here today. Ordered this about 5 days ago. This is the 1-inch shorter billet aluminum shift lever from Thrashin Supply. It takes your original shift lever and it shortens it about 1 inch. That way you have an easier shift. Also, I already have on here the Thrashin shift linkage here. So you undo these two lock nuts, and you can move this and you can make your shift lever go up or down. You can make micro adjustments with it. So I wanted to get the shorter shift lever because I feel like when I'm shifting on the lowrider that I'm literally using the tip of my toe, and I can't stand that feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this on here, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it feels. So this is a super simple process. You have one bolt right here going down, and you have a nut down here. You remove both of those. This comes right off. So we'll get started here. All right, so the top one's a 1/2 inch. We'll see what size the bottom one is. I'm gonna have to grab a wrench. I believe the bottom is gonna be a 1/2 inch as well. This is super simple. Yep, bottom one's a 1/2 as well. Most of the time you don't have to take the nut completely off. You just got to loosen it. Loosen it enough to get it to slide off of here. Couple little wiggles on there, comes right off. Then you just got to worry about taking off your bolt here for your shift knob. So that's what we're gonna do next. That's already a Thrashin part. Just like everything, we use some blue Loctite on here. This is a 3/8. So this little bolt here inside is a 3/8. All right, so you guys can see, I don't know if this is gonna pick it up too well. This was already rusting. The original Harley parts are prone to rusting. I don't know if it's just the powder coat they use or what, but they tend to rust a lot easier. You guys can see the difference here on the length of these two. The Harley one is considerably longer and sticks out quite a bit, so I'm gonna make sure we get that off here. This is a nylon lock nut on the Thrashin one, but I'm still putting a little drop of blue Loctite. Just a drop, you don't have to go crazy. A little tiny bit of blue Loctite on there. So the ARP bolt that comes with the Thrashin shift lever is a 3/8 as well as the shift knob. All right, that's good and tight on there. So now, gonna put a little dab of blue Loctite on the shifter knob. Just a little dab, and we'll get that on here. Now the only thing left to do is to see how our foot fits on there and see if we need to adjust it at all. That feels amazing. That is day and night better than what was on there.